Hello everyone, Coach Arif here, and I'm excited to bring you another video packed with useful information. So if you remember last time we talked about what life coaching is, and now you might be thinking about it, you might be thinking to yourself, okay, but what can a life coach actually help me with? In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most common things people work on with a life coach. Life coaches work with all kinds of people and dealing with all sorts of stuff in life. But the big thing is that you've got to be ready to take some action and make changes. It's about you taking the lead and make that move if you really want to change your life. Coaching isn't about fixing anyone at all. It's about helping you find your own answers in life. In this world today, what's happening around the world, a lot of people feeling lost. They don't really know what they want or what they can do to move their life to the next level or to the next step. A coach can help you figure out what's important to you and what you're really passionate about. They can help you create a clear picture of where you want to go to create that ideal life for yourself and your family, of course. Coaches can help you overcome procrastination, like putting things off. We all do. I'll do that later. We all have that habit of putting things off, right? A coach can empower you to kick that habit and come up with ways to stay motivated and focused on your goals and the things that you want in your life. They can help you break things down into smaller steps, manage your time, and keep you on track and responsible. Coaches can support you to get rid of that negative thinking pattern in our head. We all have those little voices in our head telling us, oh, we can't do that, we can't have that, we are not good enough. A life coach can help you challenge those thoughts, to support you to believe in yourself and your abilities, to move you towards the thing that really matters to you and you want. They can help you see things in a more positive way, build a stronger relationship. Coaches can help you improve your communication skill in general life, so you can talk to people better, set healthier boundaries, and build a stronger relationship with your family, friends, people you work with. Or it can be anything else in life. Changing your career, figuring out a new career path, or starting your own business. There are people dealing with stress. Coaches can help you feel calmer, finding balance in your life and work, health, or everything else. Coaches can help you feel good about yourself in everyday life. So as you can see, with all these, life coaching can help you with a lot of different things and make some real changes in your life if you really want. If you are dealing with any of this, maybe life coaching is worth checking out. In the next video, I will be talking what to expect in your first coaching session if you ever needed one, so you are prepared and ready. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with the people that you love, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow, create more contents like this, to impact the world in a positive way anyway. So before you go, tell me, what are you struggling with right now? Let me know in the comment below. And thank you for love and support.